If you're facing this error message in Fortnite Battle Royale which says couldn't start the game with an error code 29, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So Fortnite Battle Royale couldn't start the game with an error code 29 as you see it here on the screenshot. To fix this problem, the first step you need to try is restart your PC and verify your game files. A lot of people were able to fix this problem by just restarting their PC and verify your game files. To do so, just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just open the Epic Games launcher. After opening the Epic Games launcher, just go to your Epic Games Store library. On your library here, you'll find Fortnite Battle Royale. What you need to do, just select the three dots and go to Manage. You'll see the option to verify your game files. Just select Verify, and after the verification is over, you can try to launch the game. If you have do so, but you're still facing again the same error message which says couldn't start the game with an error code 29, then let's go to another step which says try closing programs and restart Fortnite. So you can try to close all the background programs and try to restart Fortnite. Programs like Discord, MSI Afterburner, River Tuner, or FPS counters can cause software conflicts. So make sure you close all the background programs and try to restart the game to see if it can help you fix this problem. If you do so, but you're still facing again the same problem, then let's go to another step which is try to turn off antivirus programs. Your antivirus or firewall might block legitimate game files, making the anti-cheat think you have tampered with the game. So try to turn off any antivirus programs like Windows Defender or just any third-party antivirus program. Try turning off, since antivirus or firewall might block legitimate game files, making the anti-cheat think you have tampered with the game files. If you do so, but you're still facing again the same problem, then if you're using any VPN, try to turn it off. So sometimes if you're using VPNs, they can cause easy anti-cheat to detect and falsely accuse you for anti-cheating. So try to turn off any VPN that you're using on your PC, and after turn off, you can try to restart the game. If you don't use any VPN, or just you do so but you're still facing again the same problem, then the last step I highly advise you is to uninstall and reinstall Fortnite Battle Royale. So just uninstall the game by deleting all the game files for the Fortnite Battle Royale, and then reinstall it back and try to restart the game to see if it can help you fix this problem. So far, these are the best fixes for this problem, and I hope you found a solution by following this step-by-step guide. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.